anything and everything go wrong for Pinarayi government. It is amazing but true that the proverb of practice make a man perfect go wrong in the case of Pinarayi and his team, whose COVID-19 management graph is heading south. Whatever innovation that he and his silent commandos bring in as part of containment measures not only offshoot from the track but attract sharp criticism also. The latest in the series was his revelation on securing call records of persons who test COVID positive to track their contacts. Surprising though, the method has been in practice for some time now, as revealed by none other than the Chief Minister himself. However, this has been vehemently criticized by the opposition leader Ramesh Chennithala, who quipped that a virus positive patient is not a criminal. Apart from the legal limitations in fetching the call details of COVID-19 patients, this happens to be a unique and foolish mode of tracing contacts of the patient and is not being practiced anywhere else in the country. This has been done and continued to be collected by the police, the law enforcing agency of the state, who is bound to act based on the extant legal stipulations which is against such an act. How on earth can anyone believe the integrity of the police personnel who will handle the mobile numbers of the COVID-19 patients who are supposed to keep its confidentiality? And how can anyone trust the officials of the service operators who are given the numbers of thousands of COVID-19 patients? Yet another change of pattern being implemented is entrusting the job of sample collection of COVID-19 patients being done by doctors to the nurses and the other paramedical staff. In no time the proposal is announced, the Nurses Association has come out opposing the move. Yet another change that Pinarayi had to backtrack was his idea of entrusting the job of tracing of contacts and declaration of containment zones, which was given to the police recently. Now he says he had not intended any dilution of authority of the health professionals and blames the opposition for propagating false information. Despite experimenting trial and error for the past 6 months of the pandemic, the graph of management of COVID-19 is steadily but surely heading south. സമാനമായ റിപ്പോർട്ടുകൾക്കും അവലോകനങ്ങൾക്കുമായി ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ അമർത്തി ഓൾ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക.